is Leah from Sunshine. We are the factory to produce the beach chairs for over 19 years. Today I will show you this classic beach chair US market. You can see it is very basic, and here has a tool bar to put your clothes, and here is a pillow to increase the comfort. And on the side of the armrest, here is a side pocket. You can put your bottle or your cell phone on this pocket. Okay, this chair can adjust in 5 positions. Now it's in the 1 position. Okay, I will adjust to show you. Okay, now it's the second one, third, fourth, and the last one. Okay, last one. Now you can lie down. Okay, it's very soft and comfortable, and now it's very easy to back in the first position. Okay, in the back we have a shoulder strap on the back, and here is a close to close the chair. Okay, now you can use this strap to take it. It's very easy. So if you want to get more information about this beach chair, just contact us. Bye.